Okay, there's not. It's just a number. Okay, whereas the 7 is a letter. Okay, the 4, is that a letter or a number? It's a number. What about the 5x? It's a letter. Okay, so letters are always going to be moved to the left side, and numbers are always going to be moved to the right side. Okay, so and when we're talking about left and right, this is the left side of the equal sign, and this is the right side of the equal sign. Okay, so letters always go to the left, numbers go to the right. Okay, so, and we can do this all in one step. It almost makes it easier so you don't have to write 50 times. Okay, so is the 14 a letter or a number? A number, which means it needs to be moved to this side. Okay, so we're going to say minus 14. And I have to put it with the other number. So what is it going to go under on this side? The 4 or the 5? 4. Under the 4. So we're going to say minus 14. Okay, so these ones would cancel. And then we can, in that same step, go ahead and move the letter. So what else needs moved? Are all the letters on the left? No, they're not. What letter is not on the left? The 5x. Okay, right now it says a minus 5, so we're going to say a plus 5x, and it's going to go under the 7, because that's also an x. Okay, and so now everything's lined up. We got all our letters together and all of our numbers together. Okay, what is negative 7 plus 5? Negative 2, so we're going to get a negative 2x on the left side, and then on this side I got a 4 minus 14. Negative 10. Okay, and now this is a much simpler equation, and our last step is going to be to do what? Divide by negative 2. And so I get x equals 5. Okay, negative 10 divided by negative 2 is 5. Okay, and we've kind of talked about this, but there's just an x up there. What number is in front of the x?
1.
A 1. Okay, so we go ahead and put the 1. Okay, is the 1x a letter or a number? It's a letter, so it's going to stay on the left, so we don't need to move it. What about the 4? Is that a letter or a number? A number, so it needs to be moved to the right. So we're going to say minus 4. And what are we going to put that under? It's going to go underneath the 14. Why the 14? Why does it go underneath the 14 and not the 4? Okay, the 14 is just a number. Okay, there's no letter attached to it, so it's got to go into that one. Okay, and then what else needs moved? Does the 1 get moved over this way, or the 4 gets moved over that way? The 4 is going to get moved over. So we're going to say plus 4x plus 4x. Okay, well, what is 1x plus 4x? What's 1x plus 4x? What's 1 plus 4? 5. So we get 5x equals, what is 14 minus 4? 10. Okay, and then what needs done? Divide by 5. So we're going to get x equals 2. Okay, on this one, where can I add a 1? Where the A is. And a 1 the other one, okay? So I'm just going to rewrite this one just because my marker's not going to fit back there, but... Okay, so I just added a 1 here and right here in front of those both A's. Okay, is 1A a letter or a number? It's a letter, so it's going to stay on the left. What about this? Oh, shoot, I messed up. There's no A right here. Okay, what about this 5? That's a number, so we're going to move it. And what's it going to get put underneath? Under the 1A or the 5? Under the 5. So we're gonna say minus 5. What else needs moved?
The A.
Wh-
1A.
Which one? The negative one. Yeah, so we're gonna say plus 1A, plus 1A. Okay, what's 1 plus 1?
3.
2A equals negative 5 minus 5. Negative 10. So we're gonna get a negative 10. Thanks. Okay, and then what? Divide by 2. So we're gonna get A equals negative 5. Okay, 7. Sorry. 7. Is the 3 a letter or a number? A number. So does it need moved or no? Where do numbers go?
The right.
To the right. So it does need moved. Okay, so we're going to say minus 3. And what is that going to go under? Under the 7. Good. Okay, what else needs moved? The 5. Okay, because letters go to the left. Okay, so what is 7 minus 5? 7 minus 5. 2, so we're going to get 2A, 2N, sorry. 2N equals 7 minus 3.
4.
4. And what's our last step? Divide by 2. So we're going to get N equals 2. Okay, the entire back page. I want you guys to just put a big X all over it because our periods are shorter today. So put a big X all over the back page. The whole thing, because I'll forget by the time I grade them. Okay, you have 4 to do on the front. You can work by yourself, work with your group. If you got in late, I will go back up to